The Bird Bros heading northward again. The Sault Marie. What are we looking for?
We're looking for owls. Lots of owls all around. Gotta find them. Gotta catch them all.
Boreal owl, northern hawk owl, great grey owl. All possibilities on this journey.
Maybe we'll get some other northern species of birds as well.
Cheerio.
Cheerios.
Road trip. It's about an 8-hour drive for us to get to Sault Ste. Marie. Looks like Sean's a little cranky. What's that out in the field there, Sean? Oh, looks like a swan. A Tundra Swan. You can tell it's a Tundra Swan because of the yellow marking above the beak. That yellow mark is called a lure.
It's one of 3 swan species you'll see in Ontario.
Yeah, the other 2 are the trumpeter and the mute swans.
Oh, and John here is eating an apple. And if you look real close, he eats his booger. Is it a sign?
We just found a bird owl on the side of the road.
It's looking right at us.
No way!
Barred owls are named after the barring pattern that they have on their head and chest.
Yeah, we suspect this one to be a male because it's slightly smaller than other barred owls we've seen. Because in owls and other raptors, the males are the smaller of the 2 sexes.
The barred owl is the only owl in Ontario with solid black eyes.
We were looking for a boreal owl here, but a barred owl is better than no owl, I always say. So pretty.
And here's our hotel for the night.
Nothing but high quality.
Here, the lamps are firmly attached to the tables, just to avoid any accidents or
Situations?
domestic situations.
The good old VHS player.
Yeah, got a VHS here. We're gonna watch some old Ben Stiller movies.
Morning time.
Some good old Wake Me Up juice. What's up, the Bird Bros here in Sault Ste. Marie. We're at the lovely Bel Air Motel. We're about to go look for some birds early this morning.
I can hear one chirping in that tree right there.
Oh, there's a common redpoll.
You can tell them apart from other birds by that solid red spot on their forehead.
Looking for Goldeneye here.
Barrow's Goldeneye from the west coast, not typically found on the eastern side of North America.
Oh, and there's a bunch of common Goldeneyes swimming out in the lake.
1 common goldeneye, 2 common goldeneye, 3 common. Okay, there's a lot of common goldeneye here. Look at them all. Oh my God! Now, do you remember which one's which? Whoa, pause it. Now zoom in.
Now here's the Barrow's Goldeneye and the common Goldeneye.
the Barrows has more black markings on the wings there.
It's almost like a checkerboardy pattern.
Much more solid than the common, as it's more white with thinner streaking of black.
The Barrow's Goldeneye has a half-moon shaped marking on its face.
Some people also say it looks like a teardrop. And the common Goldeneye has a full moon shape.
That's a good way to tell them apart, guys.
Another feature, the common Goldeneye's forehead is sloped kind of like a ramp, and then curves right over.
And the Barrow's Goldeneye has a protruding forehead. It's almost like it's inverted and slopes forwards before swooping back. So that was 3 ways to tell the Barrow's Goldeneye from the common Goldeneye. Can you tell which one's the Barrow's Goldeneye in these videos? It's that one right there.
You got it.
Well, he's just gonna fly there?
Looks like it's getting fancy on a female common Goldeneye. Bow chicka wow wow.
I got it flying. Yeah. It just flew to another one on the water.
Maybe they'll make a hybrid. Well, time to go look for some more birds.
Looks like we got something here in the tree.
Oh, a ruffed grouse.
The ruffed grouse is often hunted up here. And is like a tasty bird, like a chicken.
This guy's just eating the buds off the tree to help keep fat for the cold winter days ahead.
And moving on, we're heading on down the road.
Holy crap, Sean, check that out.
Whoa, what is that? A coyote?
Yeah, that's definitely a coyote.
Maybe it's running from something.
Wonder why it's running so fast. Whoa, did you see that? Gotta do a U-turn.
Just
We're just okay now.
yep, on side road. Right on the side road. We go see it.
Great gray owl. The great gray owl.
Great gray owls are the largest owl by length in the entire world.
And weigh about 2.5 pounds, give or take.
They have large facial discs, which help them locate their prey.
Yeah, they actually have the largest facial discs of any owl species in the world. And check out that white beard it's got going on there. Righteous, dude. Like your style.
Ever watchful, this guy here was sitting on top of a road sign.
Right off the highway, just as we were about to head home. Lucky us.
Stay chill, my bird friend. And stay chill, the Bird Bros.
And thanks for watching another episode of the Bird Bros.
Well, thanks guys for watching, and stay tuned for more episodes.
Bird Bros out.